so we just like on the trail. It feel really good out here. I had to put my glasses back on because the bitch is blind. And get right there.
My glasses! I can't see without them!
But the waterfall is...
But like with the water, I meant like brushing up.
Oh. But yeah, we like out here in the woods. And we live in Cleveland, Ohio. So it's all types of animals and stuff out here. Do your research.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Remember when we came out here? Oh, no, I don't think. Oh, no, this is the waterfall. We at the top. I'm used to being down there. We usually come from the bottom.
I be scared. I don't see people.
Ooh, they smoking.
Police!
Everybody get your vlog on.
Is anybody been over there?
Hey, there's another couple down there. Boo.
What? Just care for each other. That's all we gotta do. Me and you.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, and there was another one that said, be better. Be better. Here, look at all the spider webs.
See that mist stuff? It's all misty right there. Look at that. Look at that little thing going over there. Look,
Wow.
oh, that's pretty. What you just got? Like how you got that water park?
Never give up on yourself.
At least it works.
Right. Yeah, man, you know, you come to the waterfall in Bedford, you fuck around and be inspired.
A little bit of a reminder.
Or you can calm down from right here.
Where you at? Look at baby. Look at baby. Baby, look at me. Come here. Come here. Look how light skinned she is. Baby trying to act like she ain't bright as hell. Look.
I am, I'm bright.
You getting a little.
But I'm still black. And that's that on that. Her.
Period. Period.
My baby said it smelled like something dead up here. What died? Oh shit.
You better get your ass down here.
I was on you go first.
I didn't even know she had told me to get my ass down there. That's crazy.
Baby, you said you know where you was going and what you was doing. You did. Left or right? Left or right? Maybe trying to get us caught up. Chuck might sound like something. Oh, okay. See, we made it to the bottom. I was scared. Now you want to go over there?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. This way, just yeah.
A few moments later.
Wait, say that again. Say that again. You're sick. Baby, I'm scared. Take the phone.
I was trying to take you.
Don't show them this. Take our phone. What?
Try to go like at a slant. Yeah, I was prepared today. I wore sneaks. Usually I have on like some Crocs or some slides. Not at all, because I'm a gangster. She over there in our spot right now. She minding her business. Fossils.
Okay, y'all. So I did say something about some fossils right there. I don't know. It don't be fossils. But I
Look at
was
the scenery, y'all. This is what I was looking at. It just looks so beautiful. So beautiful. It's so fucking beautiful out here. We out here in the natures.
not in the natures though.
Behind me. Look, it's wild white women. We can't put that on our channel. Why?
It's even cooler down here next to the water.
Duh, we by the water. She the one with the degree though. What were you trying to show the people?
I was saying, you know, you can just tap the screen twice.
See, I was trying to tell her this ain't no iPhone. You can flip the screen while still recording.
How is it on me? Like we both smoke, but it's always on me. It's always on me.
Smoking is well, you know what I'm saying? In the trees, smoking trees.
No, I'm looking at a cardinal in this tree.
You know, you can see better than me.
There you go. Look on the camera.
Oh damn, I see it on the camera, but I don't see it in real life. What the fuck? See how she do it? But you know they do say something about the water and like the noise. I believe that. I do too.
Them lights so much better. I was on Google phone. Made no sense.
No, you just got up that fast. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, shit. Let's record her, because I don't know how I'm getting up here.
All I'm gonna say is, y'all, Crocs was not the right shoes for this event at all.
How you get up here so easily, baby?
Had to let y'all see this amazing view one more time.
You said, wait, she just left me?
Wait for me.
Hold on.
She don't want me to take this. Wait, why you ain't press record on mine?
Trying to say that body yaddy yaddy. They don't redid the thing.
She don't want me to take it. She don't want me to take this.
No.
You see, I'm trying
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
And it was at this moment, y'all, that I knew she wanted to go take some Macy's pictures. Like, what was that? Bye. Just fatty all in the camera. Like, come on now. She be knowing, man.
I need it. Man, it was kids out here.
Baby, you ain't gonna show them that the thing was different? We haven't been here in a minute. I can't remember the last time we was here. But they done redid the deck and stuff.
It was last summer.
Because normally you gotta,
Or last fall.
normally you gotta climb on a mountain and then go sideways and then hope you don't fall.
So
okay, I like it.
Little pebble, give it pebbles. Flintstones. Yeah, they redid all of this. Real nice. It looks so nice.
They put bench like I'm actually.
Babe, why am I holding both phones?
You supposed to be doing that. You wanna come here and like actually, you know, sit down. You know, you can do it. For real. It has been a minute.
Like it was nothing like this. It was literally like you come straight down. It was all metal, and then you come across and
haven't graffitied it up yet.
right. I should be mad we didn't bring a marker or something because I definitely want to mark my territory.
Wow.
Wait, you said you swallowed a roach?
Bitch,
I thought you said it
a
was
roach don't stand a chance.
I thought you meant, I meant like a gnat or like a, you know, something.
no, like I actually got it.
Baby said she swallowed a roach. Can you explain this to me?
Yes, that's for another time.
We gotta get the story on that, huh?